Assalamu alaikum, it's me Teba Naeem. In this video, I will introduce you to my online work, which is basically associated with Power Eagles, founded by Binish Abu Bakr, and it comes under Forever Living Products, and it is a multi-level marketing company giving opportunity to ambitious individuals who strive for financial freedom and personal growth. It gives chance to become independent distributors by selling the company's products and join the network. It allows you to work as digital entrepreneur who can work anywhere and find customers everywhere. It allows you to take best start as soon as you join. You get instant promotion as assistant supervisor and you get 35% profit. It revolves around a simple basic business cycle. All you need is a goal, and then you need to register with the company and present your presentation regarding business and develop context, planning action, and followed by coaching other team members. It involves uncapped income in dirhams and dollars. It basically allows you to rise by helping others. You can do it in your part time or full time. It involves full training and support system and provides opportunity to develop globally recognition, prices, and fun. With passage of time, if you work consistently and deliberately, you get promotions, incentives, plan, travel, pension, better lifestyle, and after all, financial freedom. Now, if you want to join or for opt for training sessions and avail this opportunity, because if you will not avail this opportunity, another person will take your place. Don't hesitate to invest, as every business in the world starts with an investment. And if you think you can't invest and you don't have money, then focus on your why. That why you need to get into this platform, obviously to earn money. And if you think you cannot take risk and you cannot deal with people, then let me tell you that business is done with people, not alone. You need to talk to people. I'm also an introvert person, but this platform polished my skills and allow me to talk to different people around the globe. If me as a wife, having 2 year old daughter living joint form of family with bundle of responsibility, can avail this opportunity, so you can also, because it is most convenient, it can be done in couple of hours, so everyone can make best use of this platform.